Welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about the Navy Federal Credit Union auto loan. So let's get right into it. The Navy Federal Credit Union auto loan. How do you get approved? What is the approval process like? And do I recommend this auto loan? So let's start off with how do you get approved? To get approved for the Navy Federal auto loan, you're going to want to have a account open with Navy Federal. Obviously, you can watch my video that's going to tell you how to get approval to open up an account with Navy Federal and what different ways that you can use. Following that, then you are going to want to have some form of credit worthiness as well as some form of employment. As far as employment, I would recommend that you have a decent amount of income coming in and a good debt to income ratio. So depending on how much outstanding debt you have, you're going to want to have a lot of income coming in to offset that and balance it. With a clear new credit profile, if you have a good, decent entry level job making $20,000 an hour, $20,000 a year, you'll probably be able to get qualified, not necessarily for a large loan. $30,000 a year typically will qualify you for a pretty decent loan size. You're talking about, a typical $40,000 car. The next thing, you're going to want to have a credit score of at least 600. I'm obviously going to recommend you have a higher credit score. I'm going to recommend that, you have something around 660, or maybe even something around, the higher sixes, 680 if you want to get approved. There are approvals with lower scores. I've seen approvals even in the fives, but you do want to have a pretty decent credit profile going into this. And I'd recommend that you have something upwards of 660. Now, there is no pre-approval or pre-qualification for the Navy Federal auto loan, which is the one thing that I think kind of, sucks is that, a lot of other auto loans, you can go and pre-qualify for them and see if there's a possibility that you're going to get approved or denied, and account will give you that little boost, that little bit of energy, like, yes, okay, I got past the pre-qualification. Maybe I'm going to get approved for the car that I want. Whereas with Navy Federal, there's not really that extra bit of motivation because there's no pre-approval process. So you'll be applying. There's 3 ways to apply. I personally applied in the mobile app, but you can apply over the phone. You can apply through the online banking or through the mobile app. Now, following that, what do you do? You're going to receive either an approval or a denial instantly, or you may receive something that says that they're going to get back to you and tell you whether you're approved or denied. A lot of the times what that'll mean is they're going to call you. They're going to ask you for some additional information. That's typically a conditional approval rather than a denial. Whereas if you get a denial, it's typically just a straight out denial. They're not going to send it over for manual underwriting. Now, as long as you can verify everything on your application, like I said, those things are typically approvals. The next thing, if you're approved, you're going to get a check that's going to come from Navy Federal. You have 3 different methods that you can get it. You can go in the branch and pick it up. You can, like we did, you can get it mailed to you, or you can get it expedited to you. So this is really going to depend on how quickly you're going to pick up the car, as well as how close you are to a Navy Federal branch. And that'll kind of, help you out with which option is going to be best for you. If you do get it mailed and expedited, it does cost a little bit more. I think it's like $12 to get it expedited. It's nothing crazy, but there is a fee to have it shipped expedited. The next thing is you're going to make that final decision on whatever car you want to buy. And you have to make sure that you check the Carfax on that car. Navy Federal will ask you for the VIN number and check the Carfax. And then basically, you pick that car out, you go in, you negotiate with that dealer. You're going to say, hey, dealer, this is the car that I want, blah, blah, blah. Can you give it to me a little bit cheaper? Watch my video on the auto buying process, and that's going to help you with purchasing a new car and what you should be going in and trying to negotiate down. Now, the next thing that you want to do is once you've negotiated, you got the car price where you want it, you've chosen the car that you want, you're going to give the dealer the check from Navy Federal. They're going to call Navy Federal to verify the check and everything, and do whatever they tell them to do with the finance office. And then they're going to have you provide them with insurance for the car. You're going to have to call and add the car to your insurance in front of them, give them the insurance card, all that good stuff. Once you do that, then they're going to have you finish signing off on the documents for the car. And then you'll get the tag and title, and then you're going to just drive your car home. And the process is really just that simple and just that easy. Get an account with Navy Federal, have some type of prior credit history for a better opportunity. If not, you still want to make sure you have a good amount of income coming in. Apply with Navy Federal for the loan. Get the approval or denial, get that check from Navy Federal, pick out your car, take it to the dealer, and then, go through the normal process of, adding the insurance, getting your tag and title, and then boom, taking your car home and enjoying it. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and let me know what you guys liked or disliked about this video down in the comments, and let me know what you guys want to see next down in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.